Hello guys, welcome to Plus Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, popularly called Sunday Igboho, is currently being tried behind closed doors as they call the Apedo Kutonu. Journalists and his supporters were barred from the court proceeding. It was learned that only his lawyers and wife were allowed to witness the proceeding. The Benisse court had last Thursday adjourned Igboho's case till Monday after his 5 lawyers failed to convince the prosecutor that he had no case to answer. The Benisse authorities have, however, released Rokpo, the agitator's wife, who was arrested with the 48-year-old activist on Monday, July 19, 2021, by the International Criminal Police Organization at the airport in Cotonou, Republic of Benin, on their way to Germany. Igboho, on his part, was returned to police custody. Many supporters of the Yoruba Nation agitator had thronged the court on Monday to witness the trial of the activist. This is despite earlier warnings that Benin Republic courts are not used to large crowds during sittings. Some of the supporters had arrived in Benin Republic on Sunday with a Yoruba group offering free accommodation. It was gathered that the federal government will be presenting extradition charges against the Yoruba rights activists today. According to reports, the Nigerian government will possibly be presenting a piece of video evidence. Ibrahim Salami, one of the Cotonou, Benin Republic-based lawyers of Sunday Igboho, had said on Saturday that extradition charges were being expected from the Nigerian government. The counsel insisted that only a Nigerian passport was found on the Yoruba rights activist, adding that he was not being tried for possessing a fake passport. Following the bloody raid on his Soka residence in Ibadan, Oyo State, the Department of State Services had earlier claimed local and international driving licenses. A German residence permit bearing his name and a passport were allegedly recovered. The lawyer had said when he left Nigeria, he took the back door into Benin. It was at the airport that security operatives stopped him that he was on the watch list. He didn't go against any law in Benin Republic. They didn't find any Benisse passport on him. He had a Nigerian passport with a German residency card. He needed no visa at that point. When we understudied the case, we realized that the Nigerian government had not filed a case of extradition. They only claim that he is wanted in Nigeria for criminal offenses. Our argument is that he was arrested because of Nigerians' request and there is no proof to show that he is a criminal. So my people, as at the time of finding this report, Chief Sunday Igboho still dey inside court for Benin Republic. He still dey answer to in case, and as we know, Benin Republic say they no see any fake passport for Chief Sunday Igboho and say na Nigerian passport dey in hand, and again he get residence permit for Germany. So no be say he offend Benin Republic government. The only thing wey make them stop am be say dem say Nigerian government say Chief Sunday Igboho get case to answer, criminal case to answer for Nigeria. Now as dem still dey court now, all these people wey dey outside, dem be Sunday Igboho supporters. Na inside the court dem dey before. So as night come dey come, na im dem pursue everybody come outside, both supporters and reporters. Dem say make everybody stay outside, say dem no fit allow too much crowd inside the court premises. And people even talk say Nigerian government sef, the DSS people, dem dey for the court. So now the matter don be Sunday Igboho versus Nigerian government. So no be say he use fake passport for Benin Republic again. The government of Benin Republic no get anything against Sunday Igboho. Now as this matter dey go now, if paraventure Sunday Igboho win this case, this matter, that means say na this night go im go fly go Germany right from Benin Republic. But Nigerian government dem dey try to make it possible say by all means the government of Benin Republic try release Sunday Igboho for them, and as we know say if that one happen, e no go favour Sunday Igboho. So they say they don bring a lot of evidence, a lot of video evidence come the court. So since morning wey they don start the case till this night, as at the time of filing this report, dem still dey on the matter, and everybody still dey on ground, both supporters and reporters. Everybody wan know wetin go happen at the end of it all. But as we take here, a lot of people stand up for Sunday Igboho. Even the Obas for Benin Republic, dem speak in favour of Sunday Igboho, and most of these lawyers sef, one of the lawyer wey Sunday Igboho use now, indigene of Benin Republic, himself try to defend Sunday Igboho so that dem go release Sunday Igboho, make Sunday Igboho travel, so that Nigerian government no go carry am go Abuja, because everybody we know wetin happen the time wey dem go raid im house, as dem use kill people sotey dem kill dem, dem no release their corpse. Even the decay, Demola Taiwo and the rest, like 12 of his aides, dem still dey with DSS, and as we hear, dem say those people dem dey suffer no be small. Court dem don say make dem bring dem come court, but DSS no still take dem go court. So now dem just dey, we no know their fate. If Sunday Igboho own sef come join, make dem carry am go Abuja again. If that one happen, na only God go fit save Sunday Igboho. So as e dey Benin Republic now, the situation still dey under control now. So everything now dey for Benin Republic government, and na dem go decide. Nigeria no fit force dem say make dem release Sunday Igboho for dem by fire by force. No, dem fit decide anything wey dem like for Benin Republic. Nigerian government no get power. That is why the time wey the DSS wey wan carry Sunday Igboho reach there, the government say make dem drop all their gun and every other thing wey dem carry come. Na Hilux bus, Hilux van na im dem take come, say today dem must take Sunday Igboho. So since morning now, dem still dey on top the matter, and wetin everybody dey pray for be say anything wey go happen for that place, e go favour Sunday Igboho. That's why all these people still dey here today. Most of them come from Nigeria go give support to Sunday Igboho.
Wọ́n ṣe lálàyé pé àwọn ò fẹ́ kí ẹnìkankan wà ní ilé ẹjọ́ ọ̀hún, bí ó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn dúró wọn láwọn ò ní lọ láti mọ nǹkan tí yóò ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n síwájú kí wọ́n tó lé wa, a ní àǹfààní láti rí agbẹjọ́rò olóyè Sunday Adéníyì Adéyẹmọ, eyín amòfin Ibrahim Salami, tí wọ́n bá wa sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé ohun tí àwọn retí báyìí ni ìdájọ́, torí wọ́n ti gbọ́ ẹjọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn, wọ́n sì lọ fún ìsinmi ráńpẹ́. Ká tó jáde náà ni wọ́n ti padà sí inú ilé ẹjọ́ padà. Mo rò pé n tó ṣokùnfà tí wọ́n fi lé wa ni pé pípadà tí wọ́n padà kúrò ní ìsinmi tí wọ́n padà sí ilé ẹjọ́ ló ṣokùnfà tí wọ́n fi lé wa.